Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a dash line border in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Then go to the Insert Home menu. Select the New Slide drop down menu and choose Blank Slide. Then go to the Insert menu and select the Shape option. We can see here many shape. You can add any shape. Now I am select the oval. Then draw the oval to this page. Now we want to make the outline dash. Select the shape and go to the Format menu and enable the Format Shape option. Then we can see here many option. Now I am enable the line option. Then select the solid line. You can add gradient line. Now I am select solid line and change the color of this line. Select the color and choose red color. Now I am increase the width of the outline. Then select the dash type and we can see here many type of dash or dot. Now I am select the dash dot. You can make the only dash, etc. Now we can see we make the outline or dash very easily. You can change the fill color. Select this fill option and change the color. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.